13 million subscribers on YouTube. And that's phenomenal. That's amazing. That's such an enormous number. And to celebrate it, I have come up with a very stupid idea that I call the Fire and Ice Challenge. I have 13 habanero peppers right here that I'm going to be eating while I'm in this ice bath. And then once I'm done with the peppers, I'm going to be reacting to an old video of mine. It is actually the first time I ever had face cam. So if you're ready, I'm not ready, but here we go. I'm gonna fire on my head and gonna have blue balls. It's my epic YouTube robe. That wasn't as epic as I thought it'd be. This is a bad idea. You catching that? Yeah. Seeing this glory? Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with, I'm gonna try to eat 4 of them at first just to get it out of the way, and then I'm gonna get in the bath and I'm gonna continually pop them down. I'm gonna try to get it quick. If you can count, that's 13 of them of various sizes. Huh?
Do you want something in case you vomit, like a trash bag or something?
That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Am I ready? Or are you? No, I'm not ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, pour down. Oh, 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 it's such a weird combination of sensations. Oh, it's so hot. You guys don't know. It's so hot and so cold. Oh, it's the weirdest thing in the world. Oh, oh. I did that 4 more. I gotta get them down. Oh, they're down. I did it. I did it. Oh, God. Give me the phone. Oh, before I vomit. Where is it? I got it.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Amnesia Custom.
Oh, my God. I'm such a tube.
The guy up in the corner. It's me.
Hit me. Hit me. Ah.
So you guys can see my looks of horror as I go into the guest.
This was so long ago. It was so long ago. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, it hurts so bad. Oh my God. Not saying much in there and in here because I can't. Woo! It's so, you don't know. There's so many sensations of pain, unlike anything I've ever seen before in my life. 4 years all led up to this moment in my life. 4 years culminated into this one amazing moment where I'm in the best I've ever seen come down.
Doesn't sound like anything here. This seems like
I can't do it. Okay. Give it.
okay. What's that? Is it down here? Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Come here. Get open. This was it, wasn't it? Wasn't it?
Oh, I'm so cold.
Yep.
I'm burning on the inside out. Oh! What are you laughing at? You friggin' asshole!
I'm scared.
Sounds good to me.
Oh, I need to keep reacting to me. This was a custom story for amnesia.
It's like tons of light, but I can't see it. Get out of here.
Booyakasha!
There's a lightning storm outside. It's gonna double creep me out.
I'm creeped out by a lightning storm.
I'm scared.
How douchey is that?
I'm not scared at all. So brave. Obviously.
I remember that.
Oh, give it some. Oh, ew. I hate that picture.
I would cover everything up with a false sense of insecurity.
Get out of here. Ah! Oh, why do I hate mannequins so much? Ugh.
I used to hate mannequins a lot. Still do.
Their door key.
Oh man.
Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! My good old friend, the chair. Gonna get some
I used to love the chair.
beer.
The chair was my jam.
Of course he did.
I'm gonna get out. I'm alright. How you doing? I'll survive. That was bad. Oh man, it was such a blind fury of burning. I was trying my best to like say things, but every breath was like poison fire. The ice was chilling everything below the waist, so it was the weirdest mixture of sensations. I've never had my brain assaulted with so many feelings before. I'm gonna be paying for this later. Holy shit. Oh, bread. That's right, I had bread. Just thank you guys so much for being with me for 4 years straight. And it was really cool to see that old video of mine, because it's funny. I look back, and whenever I see an old video of mine, I instantly am taken to the time that I recorded it. I remember where I was in my life, and I remember also how shy I was in that video. You guys may not be able to tell, but, or maybe you can tell, I was really nervous in that video, and it's just really cool to see how far I've come as a person and how far I've come out of my own shyness. And back then, like me going in front of a camera was amazingly brave. For me, not for anyone else, but for who I was at that time. I didn't talk to anybody. I didn't go out. I didn't have friends that I hang out with all the time. I had friends obviously, but you know, I was a very introverted person, and to see that old me and to be proud of, you know, the choices that I've made, and to be proud of where I am, even though it led to this bullshit here, but it's fun. And it's been a rewarding 4 years, and I look forward to a lot more cool shit. So thank you for being with me for 4